Good day, this is the Professopher, CBMD PhD, and today's Sunday, January 29th, 2023. It is 12:52 and 23 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, quantum. So let's jump to it here. Quantum heat pump, a new measuring tool for physicists. Date August 26, 2022. Source: Delft University of Technology. The physicists have built a quantum scale heat pump made from particles of light. This device brings scientists closer to the quantum limit of measuring radio frequency signals, useful in, for example, the hunt for dark matter. If you bring two objects of different temperature, such as putting a warm bottle of white wine into a cold chill pack, heat usually flows in one direction, from hot the wine to cold the chill pack. And if you wait long enough, the two will both reach the same temperature, a process known in physics as reaching equilibrium, a balance between the heat flow one way and the other. If you are willing to do some work, you can break this balance and cause heat to flow in the wrong way. This is a principle used in your refrigerator to keep your food cold, and in efficient heat pumps that can steal heat from the cold air outside to warm your house. The researchers demonstrate a quantum analog of a heat pump causing the elementary quantum particles of light, known as photons, to move against the flow from a hot object to a cold one. While the researchers had already used their device as cold bath for hot radio frequency photons in a previous study, they have now managed to simultaneously turn it into an amplifier. With the built-in amplifier, the device is more sensitive to radio frequency signals, just like what happens with amplified microwave signals coming out of superconducting quantum processors. It is very exciting because we can get closer to the quantum limit of measuring the radio frequency signals, frequencies that are hard to measure otherwise. Researchers say this new measuring tool might have lots of applications, one of them being a look for dark matter. The device, known as a photon pressure circuit, is made from superconducting inductors and capacitors, a silicon chip cooled only to a few milledegrees above absolute zero temperature. While this sounds very cold for summer photons in the circuit, this temperature is very hot, and they are excited with thermal energy. Using photon pressure, the researchers can couple these excited photons to higher frequency cold photons, which in previous experiments allowed them to cool the hot photons into their quantum ground state. The researchers had a new twist. By sending an extra signal into the cold circuit, they are able to create a motor which amplifies the cold photons and heats them up. At the same time, the extra signal pumps the photons preferentially in one direction between the two circuits by pushing photons harder in one direction than the other. The researchers are able to cool the photons in one part of the circuit to a temperature that is colder than the other part, creating a quantum version of the heat pump for photons in a superconducting circuit. And this is the Professopher, Professor of Advanced Physics, Mathematics, and Space Science. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.